My name is Samuel. I just got my hair transplant with Dr. Caymaz and his team. I always wanted to get a hair transplant. I've been looking for like over a year to get a hair transplant, and there was a few options that I was going to go for. However, the reason why I chose Dr. Caymaz was, one, the grafts that I needed to take out. I didn't want to get over harvested. I didn't want to have like a lot of loss in the back of my head, so I wanted to go somewhere that I know that I can get the grafts that I needed to get the results that I want. And Dr. Caymaz hit the mark. And also what really inspired me was T-Rail from, if you guys watch No Jumper, he's quite well known in that industry, field, so the fact that he trusted Dr. Caymaz and the team to do he said, I thought, okay, it must be reliable. So yeah, once I saw that and I saw how professional Dr. Caymaz and the team was, I made my decision to go that route. So yeah, and it was great. The experience was great. Working with the team, weirdly enough, I thought it would be way more painful than it was. It was calm, it was very simple. Like, I fell asleep while the operation was going. I felt very comfortable whilst they was doing it. And yeah, the team, everyone was really helpful. So yeah, man, there's no complaints. I wish I could say a complaint. There was no complaints. I thought my head would be bleeding once the operation would be done, but no massive bleedings, no real pain, and yeah, no complaints.
Waiting for the result.
Yeah, just waiting for the results, exactly. Yeah.